price of a box of matches is influenced by several factors, primarily the brand, size, and the quantity of matches contained within. The claim that a standard box of matches costs approximately 75 cents in the United States holds true for most common, everyday matchboxes. Several reasons contribute to this relatively low cost. Firstly, the raw materials involved are inexpensive. Matches are typically made from wood, sulfur, and other chemicals. While the prices of these materials can fluctuate, their contribution to the overall cost remains minimal. Secondly, the manufacturing process is efficient. Match production is generally a straightforward and highly automated process, helping to keep costs low. While some manufacturers might employ more sophisticated methods or higher-grade materials to produce superior matches, the baseline manufacturing remains cost-effective. Thirdly, the packaging is minimal. Matchboxes are usually made of thin cardboard or paper, keeping packaging expenses minimal. This no-frills approach to packaging significantly reduces the final cost. Fourthly, volume plays a crucial role. Matchboxes are sold in large volumes, which enables manufacturers to capitalize on economies of scale, thereby decreasing the cost per unit. The ability to produce and sell matches in bulk contributes significantly to maintaining a low price point. Fifthly, market competition is a key factor. The match industry is highly competitive, leading to price wars and keeping prices in check. The presence of numerous manufacturers vying for market share ensures that prices remain competitive and affordable. It's important to remember that the cost of matches can vary based on factors such as geographic location, brand reputation, and the type of match. For example, safety matches, which require a specific striking surface, might have a different price point compared to strike anywhere matches, which can be ignited on any rough surface. Furthermore, specialty or higher quality matches may be priced higher than the standard 75 cents due to enhanced features or materials.